twice as fast in our right hand. And we are going to do something that drummers call 4 on the floor, which means I'm playing my bass drum on every single beat. So rather than alternating, this also becomes a motor. It never stops. Our left hand's exactly the same. It's on beats 2 and 4. Let's get our right hand going. This is our pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember our snare drum's going to be on 2 and 4, so let's try to add that in. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay, let's shake it out. And now let's do our foot. Our bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's slow it down just a little bit before we add in our snare drum, our left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it might feel a little bit weird that they're working together now when we were used to them being opposites, right? So whenever your brain is like, doesn't send the right messages to your limbs, I just say shake it out and jump back in. It takes everybody a few tries to get a new groove, no matter what. That's just the way our brains and our bodies work. So we just have to be patient and keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let's see if we can put all 3 of those things together. And again, it will probably go and then it'll stop and you'll be like, and have to rethink about it. That's totally fine. Just jump back in when you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'm counting, those numbers, that's what my right foot's going to be playing. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to keep going with this for a little while. And if you need to stop and shake it out and jump back in, or pick 2 instruments to do instead of 3 right now, that's totally fine. It's not cheating to make it easier. It just kind of lets us get really good at one part of it, so that we don't have to think about it as much. We build muscle memory. Nice. Two,